Apple's October event. Here's what you can expect. Apple is finally going to release a major product launch, and this time, more of an iPad and Macs lined up. The tech giant shall release the latest hardware after the successful release of iPhone 16 in an exclusive event. Here's what you can expect from Apple's October event. Although Apple hasn't officially confirmed the date, experts predict the event will take place on Monday, October 28th. Considering last year's event occurred on October 30th, the start time remains uncertain, with possibilities ranging from 10 a.m. Pacific Time to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. These are some of the hardware devices Apple's expected to announce. iPad Mini 7, the mini tablet from Cupertino-based tech giant, is likely to come with performance improvements and new designs. Entry iPad 11, cosmetic refinements, but no design overhauls. M4 Max, more powerful processing on Mac laptops and desktop, iMac and Mac Mini. The Mac Mini shall receive its first chassis overhaul in over a decade, shrinking its size significantly. To catch all the excitement of Apple's October event, you can tune in to the live keynote from the comfort of your own space. Apple typically live streams events on various platforms, ensuring global accessibility. This time around, you can watch the event on Apple's official website, Apple TV app, and the YouTube channel.